In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Apple Pay to WooCommerce. If you're looking to offer your customers a fast, secure, and convenient way to pay, Apple Pay is definitely worth considering. It's widely used, trusted, and can help streamline the checkout process, ultimately boosting your conversion rates. Plus, setting it up in WooCommerce is surprisingly simple, and I'll walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have Apple Pay fully integrated into your WooCommerce store, ready for your customers to use. So, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is your main control center for everything on your WordPress site, including WooCommerce. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the Plugins option. Click on that to open your Plugins page. Now, on the Plugins page at the top of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Add New. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the plugin directory, where you can search for and install new plugins to enhance your WordPress site. In the search bar on the right-hand side of the screen, type in WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. You'll see a list of results appear below. What you're looking for is the plugin called WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Once you've found it, you'll notice a button that says Install Now. Click that. The installation will take just a few moments, so be patient while it finishes. Once the plugin is installed, the Install Now button will change to Activate. Click Activate to enable the plugin for your site. Activation is an important step because it ensures that the plugin is functioning and ready to be set up. After activating the plugin, look back at the left-hand sidebar. Find WooCommerce in the menu and click on it. When you hover over or click WooCommerce, you'll see a drop-down menu appear. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to the WooCommerce Settings page, where you can manage various aspects of your store. Once you're in the WooCommerce settings, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the page. Click on the Payments tab. This is where you can manage all the payment methods available in your store. Now that you're in the Payments section, scroll through the list of payment methods until you find Stripe. Once you locate it, you'll see a Manage button on the right-hand side. Click that to open the Stripe settings page. On the Stripe management page, you'll see a range of options for configuring Stripe as your payment gateway. What we're focusing on today is enabling Apple Pay. Scroll through the options until you find the section labeled Apple Pay. Next to Apple Pay, you'll see a checkbox. Simply check the box to enable Apple Pay for your WooCommerce store. This step ensures that Apple Pay will be offered as a payment option to your customers during checkout. Finally, scroll down to the bottom of the Stripe settings page. You'll see a Save Changes button. Click that to save all the adjustments you just made. This is a critical step. Without saving, Apple Pay won't be enabled. And that's it. You've successfully added Apple Pay to your WooCommerce store. From here, Apple Pay will be available to any customer using a compatible device, making their checkout experience fast, secure, and convenient. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.